What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Aerial Assault. If you don't mind, please go below, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell for notifications. That really helps me out. And today we got a really special one. A buddy of mine that I have a lease with, he's taken his son. His son's never killed a deer before. We built this box line and planted this small food plot specifically for our dads and his kids, hoping that that they could have some different opportunities and we'd have a place to go when the weather got bad. So anyways, this is Chance's first hunt. It's also the first time that Casey's ever filmed, so the footage may be a little shaky in parts. There may not be a lot of B-roll, but anyway, there's quite a bit of footage here and it's pretty neat. Hope you enjoy.
We can be bold, we can be brave, we can be the unknown, we can be the wild ones, heroes of...
Let's go!
Tell us what happened.
No.
Yeah.
So he walked down this road right here, walked out there. I pulled the gun out and boom, he dead.
First deer?
Yeah.
Good job. Good shot.
He walked over here, and then I was gonna shoot him on the other side, then he turned and then I shot him. And he started kicking and he laid down.
Well, you're gonna have to help me. You got anything to say?
Smoke City, man! Be sure to subscribe to Aerial Assault.